Hello crafty people, welcome to a new AlinaCraft video. Today I'm going to show you how I made these cards. First I'm going to show you which products I used. This stamp set, this background stamp, this sentiment stamp set, double-sided tape, vellum paper, ink from Alina in the colors apricot yellow, blue shore, rotten tomatoes and juniper berries, black dye ink, glitter paste, StazOn ink, scissors, tacky glue. I'm going to use the back of this pencil, stamping body, a guillotine, and I'm also going to use a scoring board. First I'm going to show you how I made the card with this stamp set. I'm going to start with apricot yellow. I'm going to dab the ink on the stamp the first time. The second time I swipe the ink on the stamp. The reason why I do this is to get a better saturated image. The next color I'm going to use is rotten tomatoes, and I'm going to do the exact same thing as before. And the third color I'm going to use is blue shore. Now I take my scoring board to make ridges into the paper. Now the card is almost finished. The only thing we need to do is to put this piece of paper onto a double-sided card. And we're going to do this with tacky glue. And here you go, how easy can card making be, right? Now I'm going to show you how I made the other card. I'm going to use all 4 different ink colors for this card. I'm going to dab them random onto the stamp. Et voilà! I wanted to add something extra to this card, so I'm going to add some glitter paste. I'm using the back of this pencil to add glitters onto some dots on the card. I'm going to take a piece of vellum paper to stamp the sentiment on. Let the ink dry before you move on. And again I'm going to use sticky glue to put the piece of paper onto this double-sided card. This also is a very easy and simple card to make. I hope you liked watching my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. Thanks for watching!